Today we're going to be attempting to repair a ProTeam ProForce 1500XP vacuum. I've never worked on these myself. I've heard that they're very difficult to service. This is kind of an odd problem. The issue that we're having with this one is the linkage between the motor and the head here has become very stiff. And so when you're pushing it along the floor, it tends to keep picking up from the floor instead of sitting where it needs to. So I need to see if there's any kind of lubrication points on here. I doubt that there are. I don't have my good tripod right now, so we'll just have to make do with this one and take an extra couple seconds to get the right adjustments. Yeah, this is extremely stiff. I can see why we're having a problem. I'll try to take off this bottom cover here and see if we can get somewhere with that. Okay, it seems like this is releasing the top part instead. Oh, there's some pine needles left over from Christmas. Okay, so we now have... I've read a lot of commentary about this being difficult to service, and I don't see why this would be difficult to service at all. The belt comes right off. The brush roll can come out. I guess while we're in here we should clean this. There's a lot of hair on it. I just like to take a knife and cut through it all. This is the easiest way I've found to clean this up. Now that it's cut, the rest of that should kind of just come off during operation. Okay, so it looks like this should be fairly easy to lubricate. It's kind of an odd design though. Considering the price of this machine, I really would have expected to see some kind of ball bearing type apparatus here, and it looks like it's just a metal clip. It's like a metal clamp over a piece of plastic, and it looks like a lot of the oil has started to dry out. So I wonder if it's a combination. Maybe this was too tight and then the oil ran out. So I'll add a little bit more oil here. It looks like it's oil that was there. I can see some wet spots, though I would think that some kind of a grease would probably be more applicable. That might be all that we need to solve this. So now I can see there's another plastic piece, which this plastic piece is turning on. So is it actually, is it the metal that's supposed to turn on this plastic, or is this plastic supposed to turn on the other piece of plastic? It seems like it might be getting a little better. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not really sure how this is supposed to work. It's really a bizarre setup. Screwdriver's not quite the right size. Yeah, it's a number 1. Or is this a number 2? This is a number 2. Yeah, there's definitely no lubrication left. It's just a question of, is this supposed to turn on there? I'll add some oil into there too. I don't know, this is just really kind of a weird design. I think that maybe the plastic is supposed to turn, because now the plastic is pivoting on there. It's still very stiff. It's getting better now. Add some oil to the wheels while we're at it. I wonder if this is just too tight. Now it's locked up again as soon as I tighten it up. It's just a certain part where it starts to work. Yeah, that's how it should be. Alright, I'm going to leave it like that, and if this doesn't last, which I think it might not, then I'll try to put some grease in there. I'll take the thing off completely, I'll take that plastic off completely, and I'll wrap grease all around inside and see if that makes it any better. While we're in here, I'll put a drop of oil in the wheels. Probably should have replaced the belt while we're in here too, but it's not difficult to get to. I don't know why people were saying that it was. Okay, good. It's fairly clean in here. Oil those two. These screws are threading in really tight. Oh, only some of them are. And the screwdriver's not fitting it perfectly correctly. That one doesn't either. It's like kind of a number 2, but not quite. Yeah, none of them fit it right. Well, this one fits it pretty good. Alright, let's see how this works now. I think it should be okay now. Yep, it seems to be copacetic. Well, we'll see how long that lasts. I don't think it's going to last too long. I think it really needs some kind of grease in there. If anybody knows how that apparatus is supposed to work, what's supposed to act as the pivot point in there, let me know so when I go to service this again, I can do a better, correct job.